Can you help me?
No, just
Yeah, I'll try. Hold this.
Okay, don't move, faggot.
Get the fuck in there!
Here, let me just... I'm trying!
Don't clean it!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Shut up, you're causing too much racket!
Get the fuck in there!
Oh my god.
Yeah, do it. Put it in there.
Okay.
I don't care if you hurt me, just put it in there. I didn't do this for nothing.
Yes, you
Where's
fucking
our
know.
drink?
Get it in
Kayla, where'd you put our drink? Kayla, where the hell did you put our freaking drink?
there? Is it in?
No.
Kayla! Holy fuck's sake! I'm so pissed. Get it in there!
Are you saving this?
Fuck it, I don't give a fuck. Get it in there. I'm so mad. I'm gonna cry because I'm so mad.
Yeah, that's how I felt too. I wasn't screaming at everybody.
Shit. Can I just pierce it again?
Fuck you! Get in there! No, I'm sweating and I'm gonna start crying.
Just let me go through the same hole, okay?
Fuck you! That hurts worse! That hurts!
My parents are gonna kill us.
Oh my god.
Don't you dare!
I realized I was just saying one part of it.
Okay, just let me.
Kill! The jewel's in there. Push it in.
Okay, you do it then.
Push it in.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh my god.
Push it in.
Okay, dude.
Holy shit, calm down, Alyssa.
Use 2 hands, Libby.
Okay, hold this.
Oh my god.
You stuck it out.
You know, just stay still. Oh shit, you're sweaty as hell.
Use 2 hands. Do I have to do it myself?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Just don't spill the drink or I'll kick you in the ball.
I'm still on the webcam. Oh.
No, we're not. She's so drunk.
Fucking asshole. You put it to the bottom.
Because I tried. I tried, dude. What do you want?
I got barf.
Bleeding. I can't put it in. I'm so sweaty.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it?
It is.
Kayla, why do you do this? I gotta punch you.
Shut up!
I got dry blood on the side of my cheek.
Okay, I'm turning it off.
Bye.
Bye.
Fuck you.